Hey my friends, how we doing today? It's Doug here. If y'all never met me before, I'm Doug. Oh gosh, do I look okay? Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'm alright. Hey guys, hope y'all are great and all is well. I'm gonna make a little lamp today. I've got a corner table at the house where I want to put one on it, and I was gonna go get a store-bought one, and I decided, nah, I'm gonna make it. So I did a combination with a store-bought and a made. So let me show y'all guys what I did, and I sure hope you like it. Hit that like button for me now, please, if you don't mind. I do appreciate it, and we're gonna get at it. Hey my friends, I got a store-bought lamp here. Got it at one of the big box shops. I forget which one. Let's see what I got here. A cord and a base. There we go. Glass lens. I don't like it. Let's make our own. How we doing my friends? Busy turning on the lathe there. Can't talk while you're turning on the lathe too much. Perfect. Alright. Calipers. Check the size I want my inset to be, so I can check it on the lathe. Alrighty my friends, I sanded up to 1200, actually 800 through 1200 I did wet, but before I started that I put one coat of the hut friction polish on the wood areas. And yes, it gets on the resin too, but it's about to be taken right off of the resin because it doesn't soak into the resin, but it soaks into the wood, which keeps the water from the wet sanding from soaking into the wood. And I'm going to wet sand now from 1500 all the way up to 12,000. And you can get these little kits. I love them. They're little, they last a while. Woodcrafters. Good old Woodcrafters. One of my favorite places. I think they like me too. See, it's me. Nobody else doing the work. I stick my head down there, but I'm too close to the lathe. I might get a haircut that I don't want. Well, my friends, I may have ruined it. I don't know if it's showing up on the video, but right about here, it's almost paper thin. I went a little too deep, but I'm going to see what I can do. I might have to leave the inside a little rougher than I want, but let me put some thought onto it. I may have ruined it, guys. Alright, my friends, I turned it real too thin right here. Right there. I mean, it's paper thin. It actually, where's it at? See if y'all can see that. Right there. Caused a chip in the resin. And I hate to call this a loss. So what I've come up with, I'm going to glue this down in the center. We'll see if I can get you guys down there. Hard to see clear shiny things, huh? Is going to leave about a 3/4 inch gap up past my bad point. So I'm going to fill that with resin and go ahead and coat the inside with resin while I'm doing it. And I'll try and keep that on the camera for you. Alright, my friends, as much as I'd like to, I'm not going to put this in the pressure pot, and my reasoning is that plastic cup on the inside. The last time I did this exact same thing, the pressure pot collapsed the cup. When I put the pressure around the resin, it deformed the plastic cup. So I'm going to go without the pot. For this, that is. You know, in some cases you gotta have the pot. Hey my friends, when you're wet sanding, If you keep a piece of wet paper towel in your hand, guess what? Your piece won't get dry. Piece gets dry, you can do damage, and I mean microscopic damage, scratches. But keep it wet and it won't scratch. Alright, my friends, got it all sanded all the way up to 12,000. Nice little sheen. Now I'm going to polish it out with some Hut Ultra Gloss plastic polish. Going to use it about 2 or 3 times. Simply put it on some paper towel and go to town. Hey my friends, what I did here, see if I can get that for y'all to see. Little tiny plastic beads in the shape of a diamond. And I'm gluing them in. Now no, I did not glue these all one at a time. I'm using some Star Bomb medium for this. What I did was I originally coated the inside with resin, filled it full of beads and put it on the lathe and let it spin real slow. Slow as the lathe would go, I don't know how many RPMs. And now I'm just going to go back by hand and fill in the missing pieces. Alright my friends, I got all my little beads glued in, and I'm going to finish up the last bit of polish on the outside. And today we're using Super Shine. It's a 3-step process by Glenn's. Oh my gosh, Glenn, let me get one in front of me where I can read it here for you, buddy. I ought to know that. glenswoodworks.com. That's, yeah, come on Doug. glenswoodworks.com. Super Shine, made right here in Texas. It's a 3-step process. A coarse sanding, too, not as coarse, and then the final polish, finish wax done with Kinno wax. So let's give it a try and see how it looks. 3-step process. That's after step 1, guys. Step number 2. There we go, my friend. That's with the 3rd coat applied. And I'm going to go ahead and put 2 more coats on it. There it is, guys. I can't hold this light and spin it for you, so I'll turn it around a little bit here in a minute. Okay, here it is from the other side, guys. And by the way, let me see if I can do this for you. This is a touch lamp. And here it is from the 3rd side. Hey guys, I think I came up with a pretty decent save on that. Gave a little diamond effect to the inside of it. Again, the video really doesn't do it justice. It looks a little better than it does on the video. But I hope you all like it. And show you how you could take a touch lamp like that and make your own lampshade for it. I did a couple of hanging, what do they call them, pendant lights? A couple of hanging pendant lights like that also. I didn't shoot a video of it, but next time I'm over there I'll take some pictures of it and show it to you guys. So let me give you a little quick look here again if you want. See if I can get it in there so you can see what the effect of putting those little plastic beads on the inside covered up those small cracks that I had, and the imperfection in the resin. It wasn't an air bubble imperfection. It was, remember, I turned it way too thin, and that kind of messed with the color, but it got covered up. So it's got, like I say, store-bought base on it. It's a touch light fixture. I just touch it. It's not plugged in right now. And it'll come on and off. And the colors really look pretty cool. The blue and the red mixed real nice. See if y'all can see that there. When you get things so shiny, it makes it hard to see them. Okay. Anyway, anywho. I'm doing some work on my wood sample list I've got on the wall. I'm going to do a little short quick video on that. Need you guys to help me gather some more species of wood. And I'm working on part 2 of that stainless steel shop table video. So I've got to get back to work making those for y'all. So glad you're here. Honored if you subscribe, please do. Hit that like button. It helps with the analytics, am I saying that right? And gets the videos shown more. So do appreciate it, guys. If you haven't left a message before, if I could ask you to, just say howdy. Tell me I'm good, tell me I'm useless, tell me I'm boring, whatever. It's all good. I just want to hear from everybody, especially like the good comments. Those are the most appreciated. All right, but hey, I'm serious, guys. If y'all subscribe and you're new, or if you have and you haven't left a comment reaching out and saying hello, please do. I really like that. It means a lot to me, and I answer everybody. Let me get back to work on the videos, guys. Thank you for watching. Great to be with you. Hey, my friends, sorry about the light in here. Got it sitting on the shelf at the moment. There we go. Give y'all another little look-see at it. Store-bought fixture. It's a touch lamp fixture. You just touch these and it turns the lamp on. Got it sitting next to that fish bowl that I finished a while back. Hadn't decided what I'm going to do with it just yet. Oh, let me show you guys this. See this little thing? This is fabric, cloth, turned in resin, made by Mr. Zach Higgins. If y'all don't watch Zach, check him out on YouTube. I ain't no good at putting links, Zach, but, well, I'll see if I can. Zach does beautiful work. This was also made by Zach, this little spear. Get in there and give y'all a look at that. Focus. Put the logo, the plaque in it also. It just sits on there. You can pick it up. Little indentation in there to hold it. But it's pretty cool flying around. Really love it, Zach. You did a great job on that, buddy.